Kidiology 3. Join the fun!
Hello kids, welcome back to Kidiology. Today we will learn multiplication by 12. Are you guys ready for fun learning? Let's start. It is simply multiplication by 12. You can say it is multiplying by 12. Every time add 12 more. Or you can say it is like 10 plus 2. Like on the left side we add 2 more. On the right side we add 2 more. On the left side we add 10. Okay? Let's start. 12 plus 12 is equal to 24. We are adding 10 more on the left side. Like 10 plus 10, 20. And 2 more on the right side. Like 24. 24 plus 12, 36. 36 plus 12, 48. 48 plus 12, 60. 60 plus 12, 72. 72 plus 12, 84. 84 plus 12, 96. 96 plus 12, 108. 108 plus 12, 120. Let's do one by one. 12 1 are 12. 12 1 are 12. It is 12 1 times. Or you can say we have one group of 12. 12 1 are 12. Now, if we add 2 more in 12, what is that? 14. And 10 more. Like we are going to add 12 more in 12, then we will get 24. What is that? 24. Plus 2 are 24. 12 plus 12 is equal to 24. When we have two groups of 12, we have 24. For instance, add 12 more. In 24, add 12 more. What is the answer? 4 plus 2, 6. 2 plus 1, 3. 36. We get 36. So, 12 3 are 36. 12 3 are 36. 12 3 are 36. When we have 3 groups of 12, the answer is 36. 36. 12 3 are 36. If we add 12 more in 36, what will be the answer? We will get 12 plus 12 plus 12 is equal to 36 plus 12 is equal to 48. 12 4 are 48. 12 4 are 48. 12 4 are 48. It is 4 groups of 12. How many groups of 12? 4 groups of 12. Our answer is 48. 12 4 are 48. 12 4 are 48. We have 4 groups of 12. If we add 12 more in 48, what will be the answer? 48 plus 12 is equal to 60. 12 5 are 60. 12 5 are 60. 12 5 are 60. 12 5 are 60. We have 5 groups of 12. We have 5 groups of 12. 12 5 are 60. 12 5 are 60. We have 5 groups of 12. The answer is 60. If we add 12 more in 60, we will get 72. 12 6 are 72. 12 6 are 72. 12 6 are 72. We have 6 groups of 12. The answer is 72. 6 groups of 12. The answer is 72. 12 6 are 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 72. If we add 12 more, we get 84. We get 84. 12 7 are 84. 12 7 are 84. We have 7 groups of 12. How many groups of 12? 7 groups of 12. 12 7 are 84. 12 7 are 84. If we add 12 more in 84, what will be the answer? Add 12 more plus it. 84 plus 12 is equal to 96. 12 8 are 96. 12 8 are 96. 12 8 are 96. It means we have 8 groups of 12. How many groups of 12? 8 groups of 12. 12 8 are 96. If we add 12 more, then what will be the answer? We get 108. 96 plus 12 is equal to 108. It means 12 9 are 108. 12 9 are 108. 12 9 are 108. When we have 9 groups of 12, the answer is 108. 108. 108. 108. If we add 12 more, then what will be the answer? We will get 120. 120. 12 10 are 120. 12 10 are 120. Now we will repeat whole table. Are you guys ready? Let's revise it together. Take a little break, then we will revise it. Let's do it together. 12 1 are 12, 12 2 are 24. 12 3 are 36. Next we have 12 4 are 48. 12 5 are 60. Look at the right side of the table. We have 2 4 6 8 0. It is the table of 2, and on other side it is table of 1. 12 6 are 72. 12 7 are 84. 12 8 are 96. 12 9 are 108. 12 10 are 120. 12 6 are 72. 12 7 are 84. 12 8 are 96. 12 9 are 108. 12 10 are 120. Look, it is the table of 2. 2 4 6 8 10. Quick quiz. 12 5 are. Can you guess what is 12 5 are? What is 12 5 are? That is multiply 2 with 5, 10, and 5 1 are 5, 5 plus 1, 6, 60. 12 5 are 60. 12 5 are 60. It means we have 5 groups of 12. How many groups of 12? 5 groups of 12. We have another quiz. 12 7 are. Now we have 3. First multiply 2 with 7. What is answer? 14. Now multiply 7 with 1. We have 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 84. Answer is 84. 84 we have when we have 7 groups of 12. Answer is 84. Well done kids, you are doing great. Next we will do multiplication by 13. If you want to watch next video, subscribe to Kidiology. There are a lot of videos on the channel for multiplication of 1 to 13. You can check on the channel. Subscribe to Kidiology. See you in next video. Bye bye.
Join the fun and subscribe to Kidiology 3 today. Don't forget to ring the bell.